Hello everyone, StylesbyLailani is here bringing you the natural styles of life. And today you have tuned in to yet another soap making video, y'all. Today we are making a gentleman soap. Oh my gosh. This soap smells delectable. So masculine, so strong. Like, ooh. I can't wait till y'all smell it. Make sure y'all subscribe to my newsletter over on StylesbyLailani.com. StylesbyLailani.com, all one word. I will have it linked down below. And I also will have my Amazon Marketplace storefront, whatever you may call it, linked down below as well. This is where I get some of my stuff for my small business, my house, whole supplies, stuff I get for my kids, just a little bit of everything because Amazon is the place to go. And we all know that, okay? And I also will have my Etsy shop linked down below because I also sell on Etsy as well. I have a lot of sales going on over there. It's really fun because I actually, engage in the community post on Etsy and I learn a lot. So if you are trying to build your business up and coming, I suggest Etsy. It hasn't failed me yet. It takes a minute to get your first sale, but you learn to grow and learn new things as you read and stuff like that. So here I have my activated charcoal, and I have my cabin fever mica from Nature Soap. Just incorporating it real well with my wisp. And here is my fragrance oil. I am just blending my additives up, making sure everything is well incorporated. I sped this video up because it was highly requested. I had about 10 subscribers ask me, can you do a video with the soap cutting included? Because I normally make it two separate videos. So I'm like, okay, sure, why not? So this video, I do have my soap cutting included. But I'm trying to, you know, build. You know, I break things down so you can understand more of what's going on. Either I'm explaining what's going on in my life, or I'm explaining what I'm doing in this soap making. Okay, now let me pause for a second. This here I am doing is called a in pot swirl, where you pour your colors inside of one big container that has majority of the color, and you just pour it all in the mold, and it comes out so beautiful. So I do also love this in the pot swirl. I hope I'm saying that technique right. I always get one pot swirl in the pot swirl all mixed up, but they're all in soap making. So if you are a soap maker, y'all understand what I'm saying? And to me, this was just so aesthetic, so therapeutic to me. This part right here, I was like, oh, look at that. I actually wanted to leave this design just like that, but the end of it did what it wanted to do. So I'm like, you know what, girl, come on for these kids making home. So I am designing the top part of this soap here. If you are thinking about starting a small business, I say go for it, and you are your biggest fan. It gets tough, it gets hard, people have negative things to say, your own family doesn't support you, but you have to support you, okay? You have to have your own back. You will see the light at the end of the tunnel, and things does not happen overnight, but it happens. And if you just walk in faith and not by sight, you will make it so far. I tell myself these things all throughout the day because I'm a young mom of 6. I'm an entrepreneur. Okay, I have a husband, I have a house, and I am also trying to be a content creator with my soap making business, trying to teach people to just keep going. When it gets hard, go harder. Okay, I tend to when it gets hard, and things not going my way, I tend to fall back. I want to shy back, and I just want to, you know, just say forget it. I can't throw my hands up because if I don't do it, who is gonna do it? Okay, who gonna make this soap for Styles by Leilani? Who gonna do it and enjoy it as much as I do? No one. Okay, but guess what? Somebody outside of me will do it and make more money because they were consistent. They did not give up. And it's all about being consistent and not giving up in whatever it is, in your hobby, in your dieting, in your cleaning, in your meditation. It's all about consistency. So I am actually on this new path. I am trying to be more patient. I'm trying to be more level headed. Look how this top came out, y'all. Gorgeous. I was so proud. Ooh. Yes. So this is actually 2 days later. I know I keep stopping and going, but I speak off my man, y'all. But this was 2 days later. So here I am unmolding it, just releasing the seal from the sides, okay, and then I stand it up and I actually push it out. This part was cut off out of scene, so I wanted to explain that to you guys. And then I got this soap cutter here. I actually ordered this off of Amazon. If you go on my Amazon storefront, you will see the same one here. I will have my storefront link down below. But yeah, this soap bar is amazing. Look at these swirls, y'all. They not even swirls. They like waves. They like a vibe, right? It's like a vibe. Like, I love how this came out. I'm like, it's been a minute since I did a one pot in the pot swirl. I don't know the name, not right now, okay? And I also made this a big bar because, our gentlemen, the ones that use bar soap, they use bar soap and they like the lather and they use a big bar soap. So this is actually a 3-inch bar of soap and it is big and it's smelling good. I am proud. Like, let me pat myself on the back. Yeah, that was me patting myself on the back, y'all. You have to praise yourself. You have to smile through the pain. You just have to, y'all. You have to see the brighter side of things. And I'm so grateful for my daughter because, y'all, all day, Mama, don't let that get to you. Don't let that get to you. Y'all, because my husband, he do stuff on purpose to irritate me, and he will say it. Oh, I just was trying to get up under your skin. Why do you want to upset me? Like, I'm trying to be more Christian, like, trying not to be a hot girl summer out here, and you want to do things to irritate me. Yeah, I don't think that's good for your health. But y'all see this? So nice. It has activated charcoal to help our men's skin, y'all. Because just like we like soft, luscious skin, we want our men's skin to be soft and luscious. And some of them have hair. It's conditioning for their hair. All my soap is natural, great for sensitive skin. I specialize in bath and body care, so y'all, make sure y'all come over to StylesbyLailani.com. Get y'all some all natural bath and body care for you, yourself, your loved one, your spouse. The holidays, make gift baskets, anything. And if y'all have any special requests or anything, y'all can also DM me on my Styles by Leilani Instagram page, or you can email me at stylesbylailani@gmail.com. I'm open to suggestions. I'm open to advice. Even the negative comments, like, they don't bother me because some of them don't be negative. Some people just don't know what's going on. What is it? Like, some people just don't know. And when you say someone is ignorant, it means without knowledge. So it's a lot of ignorant comments. I either take my time to address it or I simply ignore it. And that's how I get past all these negative comments, is just keep posting, keep pushing out content, keep showing you what I do as a business owner, as a soap business owner. Here I am cutting my 1-inch bars from my sample packs. These will get cut in half. Sometimes I don't cut them in half when I send them out with a package, but in my soap sample packs, I do actually cut these in half. So if you have made it this far into this video, thank you so much for your love and your support, and thank you for rocking with your girl. Please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also subscribe to my newsletter, StylesbyLailani.com, so you will know when this gentleman's bar drop. This is so seductive, y'all. Like, I just don't know. I'ma see y'all, and I love y'all. Make sure y'all like this video and subscribe. Bye for now.